Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out-solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. Firstly, uniformly accelerated motion means that acceleration is constant. So let us understand the three equations or the kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. Let us say we have a particle which started from u velocity and it accelerated uniformly. This is actually VT graph. So its final velocity after some time t, this is time t, is v. So we have to find out, we know that equations, kinematic equations of motion are three equations of motion, which are, first is v is equals to u plus at, second is s is equals to ut plus half at square, and third is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So let us derive these equations of motion. So first is v is equals to u plus at. So we know that slope of this graph will be acceleration. So acceleration will be equals to slope. So slope will be equals to perpendicular upon base. This is p, this is b. P is perpendicular, b is base. So it will be p by b. So p is actually v minus u. So v minus u by base is t. So if we solve this, we get it as a into t is equals to v minus u. So v is equals to u plus at. So we get the first equation of motion. Now if we talk about second equation of motion, then it is s is equals to ut plus half at square. We know that area under VT graph is equals to displacement. So area of VT graph is equals to displacement. Displacement is S. So S will be equals to area under this graph. This will be equals to the area of the trapezium. This is our trapezium. So area of this trapezium will be equals to, this area will be equals to half into distance between two parallel sides is actually t. So into t into sum of parallel sides. So sum of parallel sides will be u and v. So it will be u plus v. So if we see this, we have to substitute v in terms of a. So s is equals to t by 2 into u plus v. V is actually u plus at. So it will be s is equals to t by 2 into 2u plus at. So if we solve this, we get it as s is equals to, this s will be equals to ut plus half at square. So we get the second equation of motion. Now if we talk about the third equation of motion, then third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. As we have already calculated that s is equals to ut plus half at square, right? So here we can replace t in terms of v and u. We know that v is equals to u plus at. So this t will be equals to v minus u by a. So t is equals to v minus u by a. So s is equals to u into t is v minus u by a plus half into a into v minus u by a square. So if we solve this, we get it as s into v minus, this is uv minus u square by a plus v minus u whole square means v square plus u square minus 2uv by 2 into a. So this will be equals to uv by a minus u square by a, and here we have v square by 2a. So this is uv by a, and here we have also uv minus uv by a. So this will cancel out this. So this will be equals to, this will be equals to u square. This is equals to minus u square by 2a plus v square by 2a. So when we solve this, we get it as v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So this is our third equation of motion. So this is all about the kinematic equations of motion. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.